Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a D3D11 compatible GPU future level 11.0 shader model 5.0 is required to run the engine. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to update your Windows. To do this, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date. And after doing this, just to close it off here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to update the game that you are getting the error. To do this, you just need to open up Steam. Right click on the game and select properties. Select the update tab and you just need to click on the drop down in automatic updates and select high priority. And after doing this, just to close it off here, and you just need to make sure that the game is up to date. After that, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to update the graphics card driver. To do this, you just need to open up GeForce Experience, select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to install it guys. After installing it, you can check if the problem solved or not. For AMD users, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select here graphics and select your graphics card model over here. After selecting it, select submit, and depending on what type of Windows you have, you just need to expand it and download the latest driver guys. Select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to install the driver. After installing it, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution is to download and install the Visual C++. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down. If you are using 32-bit, then you just need to download this link guys. In my case, I am using 64-bit. That's why I am clicking on this link. After getting download done, you just need to install the Visual C++ guys. After installing it, you need to restart your PC and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.